Hello, mi gente bella. I am so excited to do this video because this is an accumulative makeup haul for myself and also for my Pro MUFE kit. But first, please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified to all my future videos. Let's go right ahead. These are very, very popular, whether you're a makeup artist or not. These are the Naked Lashes by Ardell. I have 421 and I also have 420. If you are looking for like a natural lash that doesn't look so full glam, these are the ones. I'm definitely gonna try one of each and then just take it from there. I'm pretty sure they're gonna be amazing. Next is this e.l.f. primer, and this is with the niacinamide. I tried the regular one, which I love and I am obsessed with. I was like, let me try this one. So this again is gonna be for me, and then if I like it, I'm definitely gonna add it onto my kit. This is the new Morphe Mini Continuous Prep and Set Mist, supercharged with ceramides and antioxidants. The OG, the black bottle, that is like a staple for myself, very well known out here at the beauty community. But I was like, let me try the small one, and I actually did try it already twice, and I'm actually pretty surprised. And I mean, I shouldn't be surprised, but this was really, really good when it comes to making sure that your makeup is going to last. So far, she's doing good with me. I also wanted to try the Essence Lash Princess, but the waterproof version. I have tried the other one, which have been really, really impressed about what this viral mascara has done to our lashes. We have NAIMES. I've been wanting to depot my eyeshadow palettes. If I have to show you what I started with, it was basically a carry-on luggage, and I was not happy with it because everything was going all over the place and I have so much crap, to say the least, that I said, you know what, I really need to condense stuff. I'm so happy how big it is. But this is gonna be my first attempt on depotting using this one. I really like the other size that I had, that I bought last year at the makeup show. So I'm excited to do maybe like face products in here, just so I have everything in one palette instead of taking 20 palettes at the same time. I'm being a little extra right now. So I did order actually two, because you know, you never know. I wanted to try the Artist Kit company products, so I got a few things that I'm telling you, like, I have tried this and I've been really, really impressed with it. These are so tiny. Like, I'm just really quickly gonna show you. I did depot two things. This was my Graftobian Cream Foundation palette, and I took this on my Bolivia trip that was in the beginning of this year because I thought I may do someone's makeup in terms of my family, and I was really, really happy how tiny this was. And then I depotted the Makeup Forever Flash palette just because I wanted to see if I needed a little pop of color, and I have more of these. I don't know how to call them, but these are the ones. Then I also did get their spatula, the one that has a magnet, so you don't have to, like, you know, when you take one of these little leg thingies and it just sticks to and it's easy to come out, instead of like you digging in and then you just like break and you mess up your eyeshadow palette or any pressed powder makeup. These samples of like a tiny little detail Q-tip, a little lip applicator, and also a mascara wand. So now we're gonna move on to another empty palette. I wanted to try something a little bit more affordable, and this is from the company Fixy magnetic makeup palettes. And I bought not one, not two, but I got 4 of them. And I already started depotting one of my favorite palettes, which is the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette, the first one, the OG with Morphe. This is what this palette looks like. I will leave the prices and all the information down below, so if you're interested in purchasing, you're more than welcome to do so. But yeah, I already messed up. See the little dents over there? This is when you need a magnetic spatula, so you don't run into these little mishaps. But it was my first time kind of dipping my toes into depotting makeup and whatnot. I wish more eyeshadows, single eyeshadows could fit in there. We're gonna move on to the makeup show haul. This was on May. Was it the last day of April? Yes, it was the last day of April. How can I forget that day? Okay, let me just refrain myself from not saying a lot. First of all, I was really happy to go with my friend Maria. Her and I go way back because we met at the makeup school. This is something that we would typically do together like once a year and just splurge. I finally got my first MyKitCo products from here. I'm so excited for this little container. And basically you can put anything that's liquid with foundation, cream blushes. It is so tiny again, and I love it that the fact that you can just open and close and just put it back. It has these little dividers, so it's so easy for you to see. I want to depot any of my liquid face products and put it right here, so it's nice and beautifully organized. Next, I got this product from Alcone. I wanted to kind of update my brow products, and I've been hearing great things about the brand Senna. Actually, Senna is basically the one high-end product that I ever tried back in the day. I used to be that girl that used to be in QVC on Fridays, the beauty or HSN. And I remember purchasing my first Senna brow powder with the I remember the brow stencil. It was so easy to like have the perfect eyebrow. Years later, here I am getting the brow book. I used to have the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow powder, but I decided to get rid of that because to me, I think this is a better deal because you do have the actual entire color in here rather than in one pan you only get two. We're gonna move on to Bedazzling tool. I don't know if I'm saying it right or wrong, but I have never ever tried the Bedazzling brushes. Back in the days when in the YouTube area, like in 2000, I don't know, 16, 17, 18, this was a really popular brush. My friend Maria was like, you never tried them, because she was repurchasing them. I'm like, what do you mean? I'm like, I've seen them. I know the brand. I just never really got a chance to try it. She's like, girl, you need to get into this and try at least these 2 or 3 brushes. The first one is going to be the face brushes, the 968. First of all, the quality, okay, it has a nice like handle, and you can see that it's flat, but it has like a little belly on the side. It kind of reminds me of one of my Morphe brushes, and instantly, oh my god, this is my first impression. I mean, I did touch the tester ones, but this is so soft. The next brush is basically the baby or the smaller version of the previous one. This is Eyes 788. This would be amazing for the under eye, for spot concealing. I knew it. I got 2, one for myself and one for my makeup kits. 2 brushes. This one is the Eyes 760, and this is a liner brow. Again, I barely do like a gel eyeliner when it comes to doing a wing liner. And again, she swore by this, so I was like, listen, I'm open to try new things. And then last one is going to be the tight liner, and this is the 761. Another foundation that is very popular. This is the Face Atelier foundation. It is HD, it's cruelty free. That had actually a really good bundle. This has a primer in the foundation, so you don't necessarily need to prime your face, but I am so eager to try this, especially for like more mature skin, or like this girl here that has a lot of texture or enlarged pores. I would love to see what this does onto the face and what the finish is gonna be like. This foundation is absolutely buildable. It's medium to full coverage, and you don't even need to depot it because everything is here. You can just put it at like you have the number in there, and then you can just mix and come up with your own shade. If you made it this far, please give it a thumbs up and let me know down below so far what you've been loving. If there's anything that you guys want me to like a more in-depth review, let me know down below. So I'm your girl. I got some stuff from Danessa Myrek. I got 2. I could have sworn I got 3 unless they... I tried last year a sample of her Yummy Skin serum foundation. This is shade 9N and also 12W, and I believe this was gonna match me or be close to it. But this is like a medium full coverage. I mean, she is known, Danessa, for that skin, that glow. She did come out with this line work, and I'm just gonna swatch it, and let's see. But it looks something like this. I also went to the Makeup Forever booth, and I wanted to try their Aqua Resist color pencils. I got 2 that are black because I hate when I have to tight line the upper lash line. I get black little boogers under my inner corner, and I hate when that happens, or when it just transfers. I just tried recently the Essence one because people talk amazing things about it. The Essence pencil, it's so smooth. It's like a gel consistency. It glides on beautifully, but it did not work for me. So I'm still testing it and just trying to make it work. But in the meantime, I am looking forward to trying these right here. And I also got a dark brown one because just these are like colors that you definitely need in your kit. Ooh, she is buttery. Really nice. I'm just gonna let it sit and give it a few seconds to set, and we'll make sure that we revisit this again. And then I also wanted to try this pencil that everyone and their mom talks about, and this is the artist pencil that is called, this is called Whatever It Want. And we're gonna try this. Ooh, she is cute, guys. I like her. I have the VZR OG palette, and they're very well known for. I still have it on my makeup collection, and it's been probably, I don't know if it's 10 years. I need to remove that, but it's just like a sentimental thing for me that I will get rid of. You know, that could be a good video, like going into my makeup collection. And that is the one place that I really need to purge and declutter stuff that I have from like years. This is the BZR Petite Matte Neutrals. She is the tiniest little one, and oh my god, she is so cute. Look at the comparison in terms of the size between this palette and this one, and they have so many of these, especially the color ones. They are so well known in terms of the quality of it, and I'm so excited to try this. This is something that I really wanted to add because I personally own them, and if I could go to my makeup vanity right now to show you how I hit pan on this product, this is one of them. This is the brightening and setting pressed powders. This will give you a brightening effect right away, instantly. And I got all of them actually. Yeah, this is like from the fairest to the fairest of them all. Oh, yes, this is the one that I use. Look how pretty. So if you were, you know, medium to tan skin, this is amazing. This and this, that like peachy kind of reminds me of the Kat Von D, basically. This for the under eye, if you have like green and purple, like this is amazing for brightening. I would even mix all of them. I was just like, you need to try this because you are sleeping when it comes to our face products. And I believe this is the darkest shade. Look at this. So pretty. Oh my god, yes, I never tried this. This is our pressed powder bronzer. And what color did I get? This is in the shade Tan Lines. I don't even know what this looks like. Oh my god, it's been a hot minute. Ooh, look at this. Oh my god, it does smell like something sweet, like maple syrup or something like that. This part of the video is gonna be more depotting containers for my makeup kits, or even if you want to depot some of your stuff that you already have for travel, like if you want to travel, this would be amazing. This is gonna be from Amazon. I do have Amazon storefront if you guys want to see. Kiss a stove. Oh yes, I follow this makeup artist, Julie. Hello, Julie Ruby makeup artist. I will leave the name of her YouTube channel. You should absolutely check her out because she has given me so much knowledge when it comes to depotting and downsizing your makeup kit. But I know she did use for like liquid blushes or concealers. I just didn't think it was gonna be this small, but these are actually like lip gloss tubes that she said that she ended up using for that. So you can even put your skincare routines if you want in here, and there's so many of them. Okay, what else do we have in here? We have 1, And we have 2. These are the 30mm spray bottles. And how many does it come? It comes with 6. And again, I wanted to use this to downsize my setting sprays. And I know that at the artist kits or artist makeup kit, butchering it, but I know he has them and they're more frosty finish. I wanted to try something a little bit more affordable. And this, ¿qué es esto? Oh, my friend Maria told me about this and she gave me one, which are these pencil containers. She gave me one, so I finally got a chance to order. It does come with 6. This is so good because you can easily like clean this and disinfect this instead of having to divide it. Let me know down below if you guys would be interested in me depotting. I want to reach to at least 20-30 likes. If you have made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for sticking to the end. I am so happy to show a nice makeup haul because I have missed talking to you guys and just, I don't know, I just like that connection slightly more than doing reels or shorts, even though that's what people like. Until the next time, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Mwah. Besitos. Bye.